In this video, you'll learn how to run quality control on your Catalyst One chemistry analyzer. Before you begin the quality control process, you'll want to ensure that you have cleaned the internal components of the analyzer using the on-screen instructions, that you've gathered the appropriate materials, including the QC clip, Light 4 clip, and Vetrol control, and that you've prepared the Vetrol control for processing using the detailed instructions found in the product packaging. Once the preliminary steps have been completed, to initiate the QC run, tap the Catalyst One icon at the bottom of the IDEXX VetLab Station home screen. On the Catalyst One Instruments screen, tap Maintenance, and then on the Maintenance screen, tap Quality Control. Select the quality control lot number you're using. You may have to scroll to find the appropriate numbers using the up-down arrows on the right, and then tap Run QC. If you'd like to view on-screen, step-by-step instructions on how to prepare your control fluid, how to clean your analyzer, or how to load materials in the sample drawer, tap Instructions. Otherwise, tap Next to move forward. Next, it's time to load the materials in the sample drawer on the analyzer. Fill the pipette tip section of the drawer. Load a sample cup containing 300 microliters of properly prepared control fluid in the sample cup holder. Load the Light 4 clip first, and then the QC clip in the slide holder. Close the sample drawer, and then press the Start button. To view quality control results at any time, tap View QC Results on the Catalyst One Quality Control screen. For more information on Catalyst One general workflows, go to idexlearningcenter.com/Catalyst One.